And staying with security-related matters because Jamaican investigators are closely monitoring a major firearms traffic case involving 5 men, including a Jamaican-American citizen charged in the United States of America. The accused, Lorenzo Harris Brown, DeAnthony Varner, Albert Brown, Sanchez Turner, and Andre Lela were indicted on May 27 by a federal grand jury in Georgia. Now, U.S. authorities say the charges stem from a multi-agency probe involving the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Firearms and the Narcotics Investigation Division, FID. The JCF says the dual citizen has been a central figure in its probe into the smuggling of nearly 240 guns and 30,000 rounds of ammunition into Jamaica, an investigation that remains active.
To other news now, Energy Minister Darrell Vaz says he is disappointed with the reasons given by the Jamaica Public Service Company for last week Friday's island-wide blackout. The Light and Power Company provided a preliminary report on the outage to the minister today. We have more in this report.